My name is David Martinez. I served in the U.S. Navy for 20 years as an aviation electrician's mate. When I retired, I wanted to do something different. And when I went to a regular college, I learned fast that academically I'm weak and that I was stronger with my hands. I was curious with the HVAC, wanted to learn how the magic works, and I wound up graduating third in my class. I've worked in commercial refrigeration, and then I went through the BMR curriculum, went out into the field, worked at an apartment complex. BMR stands for Building Maintenance and Repair. When you come to Tidewater Tech, you start out learning about safety and electricity and air conditioning systems. Then you move on to tiling and framing, residential electric and plumbing. You go through all of those classes and you graduate from Tidewater Tech. And I tell them, hey, you can go out, you can fix your house now. You can do roofing, you can fix major appliances. You know what websites to go to. You know where to look in your book. You know you can always come back and talk to me or any instructor in the BMR curriculum. Our students are teaching others how to survive in a real-world BMR environment. I teach framing and tiling, but when you come through my class in framing, within the first 2 days, I tell them, while you're in my class, please feel free to take pictures of any problems in your house and bring them in and we can discuss them. And maybe that's why you're in my classroom. But maybe I can assist you. We teach the anatomy of a wall. So you have to learn the basics. You have to learn how to use basic tools, learn about basic language, safety, working with others. You also learn how to look at blueprints and drawing to scale. And then we take those combined skills, we build a building. Right now we have all of our floor joists set up. We're about to cover them with 3/4 inch OSB, and we're gonna put up 95-inch walls, and it's gonna look great. When you leave the school, you're able to go out and make a good start and a great impression. I try to teach my students that you're not just putting together a floor, you're doing something for a client, and that's what you want. You want happy clients.